Hi guys, it's Nicole and welcome back to our channel. As you can see, we're on the road, headed to the airport, ready for another amazing Disney vacation. If you're new to our channel and like travel content, make sure you give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so you know every time we upload a new video. Today we're flying out of Pittsburgh International Airport, which is about 30 minutes outside of downtown or about 19 miles away from the city center. Today we're traveling with Southwest, and currently they are the largest airline to fly out of Pittsburgh. I love traveling with them because your luggage always flies free, and we all know I am not a light packer. We actually have two flights today. Our first flight is taking us into Fort Myers, where we have a really short layover before heading to our final destination of Orlando, Florida. I have to say the Fort Myers airport was super bright, super clean, and they had a Starbucks, which was great for us to grab on our short layover before we headed off to Orlando. If you have a flight from Fort Myers to Orlando, expect it to be extremely short. I swear it was only about 15 minutes. We reached our cruising altitude, and then we're already making our descent into Orlando within 5 minutes. Terminal all decorated for the 50th anniversary. Oh my god, look how cute these signs are. And there's Figment and Minnie, Pluto, Bambi, and over here's Mickey. This is so cute. I'm so excited we're here. There's Donald, Goofy, Pumbaa, Timon. Oh, Olaf is right here. There's the castle in the background. So cute.
The shuttle will be departing momentarily for the main terminal.
Headed to the Magical Express now. This will be the very last time we get to ride the Magical Express since it is going away at the beginning of 2022. So we're really excited to just ride it one last time and cherish all those memories. In case I didn't tell you, this trip we are staying at Disney's Pop Century Resort. We love this resort as well as Art of Animation because they are both on the Skyliner and super convenient to get to the parks. Okay, so we got to our hotel a little bit ago and we are off to EPCOT for the very first time. This is our first time back in the parks for about a year and a half now, so we are super excited. I can't wait to be back. I can't wait to go to Food and Wine at EPCOT and see the new fireworks at EPCOT, so we'll catch up with you in the parks. This will be our first time on the gondola since we're back at Disney. Not our first time on it ever. We really love the gondola. It's so convenient to get to all the parks, but it's our first time on it today. gondola in front of us.
Welcome
on the
aboard the
gondolas.
Disney Skyliner at Disney's
not
Hot
hot at
Century
all.
Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and EPCOT International Gateway. In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
I can see the
All
Epcot pole
passengers
already
must
over there.
disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey and thank you for flying the Disney
It's
Skyliner.
the 50th gondola.
Oh yeah! I don't know if you can see that from this far away. That's so much fun. We're finally here! I'm so incredibly excited to be back at Epcot. First day back at the parks in almost 2 years. I'm so excited. So I think we're gonna start by going to Canada to the left and then kind of going up front, riding some rides and getting some food and wine food. And then, yeah, who knows where the night will take us. So the first food booth we went to was the Canada Pavilion. So Derek got this little steak on mushrooms. I don't really eat a lot of meat. Yeah, it's Le Cellier steak with mushrooms. So we'll see how he likes it. Okay, what's the sauce on it taste like? I'm gonna try it.
No, buttery sour cream.
Yeah,
Kinda.
I don't know what that is.
I don't know what it is.
Mushrooms good?
That's pretty good.
Okay, so Derek just said we have the grilled sweet and spicy bushberry shrimp. So it looks like it comes with 3 pieces of shrimp, some snap peas. I think it's a pineapple maybe is in
Some
there.
onions, a little bit of pepper.
This one's really good. I feel like it has like a slightly sweet and spicy flavor. This like red sauce that's on it, but it's so good. Okay, the next thing we're trying is the Impossible Burger Slider. So this is vegan and I'm super excited to try it. So I'm gonna try the Impossible Burger Slider. We're gonna see how I like it. I'm a little bit picky about my fake meat, so we'll see how it tastes.
Do you like it?
Mm.
What's it taste like?
I don't know. It's a little spicy,
Oh, it's spicy?
but I like spicy.
What's the sauce, or is it like a coleslaw?
Mm-hmm. It's fine. I don't know if I get it again. I can't like describe the taste.
It's different.
Just spicy and different, yeah. I don't know. I probably wouldn't get it again though. Soarin' is going to be our first ride of the trip, and there's only a 15-minute wait, which is super crazy. So we just came out of Soarin' and Test Track. Soarin' was the first ride we went on today, and today's the first day that we are at the parks. Soarin' is absolutely like one of the best rides in my opinion, and Living with the Land, actually it wasn't Test Track we went on yet. We went on Living with the Land, and that's right next to Soarin', and that's also a really great ride. If you haven't ridden it before, definitely check it out. It's great, like 10-minute time where you can relax, but it's also entertaining. So now we are heading over to Test Track. To give you a little bit of background information, this ride opened in 1999, so it's a little bit on the older side. The thing that makes this ride unique is you get to design a car before you ride the ride, and then you get scored on your design once the ride's over. It is a super popular fast ride, so it always has a long wait, so we don't often get to ride it. This is the first time I've ever seen it not have a long line, so we were super excited.
Select your vehicle. Okay, now you gotta do the shape. What is that?
Optimize. It's gonna fix it.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, okay. Now what?
Huh?
Engine?
Engine. Plasma burner.
Plasma burner?
With. Probably a little wider.
Wider? Yeah, we're narrow.
Yeah, because your responsiveness goes up. Your efficiency goes up.
Okay. Like that?
Sure.
Lens? Do I need to do anything with this, or is that
That's
Is
good.
that good?
Yeah, good thing you're not a car designer.
good? You pretty much designed this. I picked the color,
Oh,
you
I
picked
did it.
everything else. I did the color and shape, you did all of this crazy stuff here, but the color is awesome. That was so much fun. We just tested our car on Test Track, so we're still on the ride vehicle waiting to get off now. So here's our next food item right outside of Test Track. They have the donut box, and this is chicken on a glazed donut with sriracha. So I'm super curious to see how this is. Do you want to take the first bite? Okay, I don't know. Maybe you should take like the top off of it or something. Oh my god, you're gonna take a full bite of it. What does that taste like?
Sweet. Definitely taste the glaze.
Sriracha's supposed to be hot, right? I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna try it next. Okay, so overall, I really like the donut. The donut has more of a fresh lemon taste to it than like a regular glazed donut. Derek liked the chicken. I don't really eat chicken, so I definitely didn't like chicken.
Donut's not bad. I
But
don't really care for the slaw.
Derek didn't like the slaw. It seems like a lot of people are pushing the slaw off to the side, but the donut's pretty good with the sriracha on it. He's burying stuff. Oh, he's burying nuts or something. Cute. We got extremely lucky because we got to see the new EPCOT fireworks show Harmonious one day early because they decided to soft preview it before the 50th anniversary.
All around us, the world is alive with music.
show. We got to walk on a bunch of rides. The Epcot Spaceship Earth is all lit up with its new lights, and it's absolutely great. Okay guys, because of all the excitement, it being our first day back at Disney World and seeing the new Epcot fireworks show, I didn't really officially end the video, but thank you guys so much for watching. We had an amazing time at the 50th anniversary and are so excited to be back at Disney World. If you like videos like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel down below and definitely give this video a like because it really helps our channel out. Thanks for watching. Bye.